amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will spell and read words with silent L. Are you ready? Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Calm. C-A-L-M. Let's spell that again. C-A-L-M. Calm. Let's read the sentence. Say, the boat sailed on a calm sea. The boat sailed on a calm sea. Bomb. B-A-L-M. Let's spell the word again. B-A-L-M. Bomb. Read the words after me. Miley puts a soothing balm on her chapped lips. Miley puts a soothing balm on her chapped lips. Palm. P-A-L-M. Let's spell the word one more time. P-A-L-M. Palm. Let's use palm in a sentence. Say, the man sleeps under the palm trees. The man sleeps under the palm trees. Cough. C-A-L-F. Let's spell that again. C-A-L-F. Cough. Let's read the sentence. The baby cattle is called a calf. The baby cattle is called a calf. Half. H-A-L-F. Let's spell the word again. H-A-L-F. Half. Let's read the sentence. Only half of the pizza is left. Only half of the pizza is left. Chalk. C-H-A-L-K. Let's spell that again. C-H-A-L-K. K. Chalk. Read the words after me. The teacher uses chalk to write on the board. The teacher uses chalk to write on the board. Talk. T A L K. Let's spell the word one more time. T A L K. Talk. Let's use talk in a sentence. Say, friends talk to each other. Friends talk to each other. Walk. W A L K. Let's spell that again. W A L K. Walk. Read the words after me. Sam walks to school. Sam walks to school. Yoke. Y O L K. Let's spell that again. Y O L K. Yoke. Let's read the sentence. The egg yolk is yellow. The egg yolk is yellow. Salmon. S A L M O N. Let's spell that again. S A L M O N. Salmon. Read the words after me. The salmon swim upstream. The salmon swim upstream. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.